Today we are going to study integers, which is the chapter 1 of your class 7. So basically integers are, so as seen, any number which can be positive or negative or zero but is not fractional or decimal are known as integer. So let's begin with closure under addition. It is basically addition of two numbers like a plus b is equal to c. By taking an example, we can say 17 plus 23 gives 40. As it is a number, positive number, it's an integer. While if we are taking any negative number, say minus 10 plus 3, we would take the sign of the greater number, that is minus. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is in negative. As stated above, negative number are also integers. Talking about closure under subtraction, it is somewhat similar to closure of addition. Here, in place of a plus b, here a minus b plus c. Wherein the same fundamental 7, by taking an example 7 minus 9, here the answer would have the greater number sign. So here 9 is greater, so minus 2, which is again an integer. Likewise, 17 minus 21, if we are taking this, here the answer won't be minus, because here minus are at two places, which here minus, it is in multiplication basically, so minus and minus creates it as 17 plus 21. So the answer would be 38, which is again an integer. So from here you have learned one more thing, that in multiplication minus into minus gives plus. Now let's talk about the commutative property, which you can say it LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side, right hand side. So basically you can take example of LHS 3 plus 5 and RHS the 5 plus 3. Here the answer would be 8, and same here also the answer would be 8. So that's somewhat commutative property. By an example, minus 8 plus 9 and minus 9 minus 8. Here to be noted, here plus minus will go minus only, because if there would be a minus sign here, then the answer would be in plus, but plus minus is minus. Noted. So here minus 8 plus minus 9 is 17 minus 17. And here also minus 8 plus minus 8 gives minus 17. The basic formula of commutative property can be a plus b is equal to b plus e. Let's talk about the associative property by taking an example. Minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2, and minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. So they are basically giving them equation numbers. So it's equation 1 and it's equation 2. So here in equation 1, minus 5 plus minus 3 plus minus 2. So we have to solve it first. So we have to simplify this equation first. So basically you can write it as minus 3 plus minus is minus, or else you can write it without the bracket 2. So minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So after getting this simplified answer, you can directly do minus 5 plus minus 5. So your minus 5 will be as it is, your plus minus is equal to minus 5. So the answer would be minus 10. Similarly, you will do the same thing for the equation number 2, that is minus 5 minus 3 plus minus 2. So here again you have to solve this equation first. So here we go, minus 5 plus minus, let me show in steps to you guys, plus minus minus 3. So your minus 3, 8. The answer is, outcome is minus 8 here. So minus 8 plus minus 2 plus minus. So here the answer is again 10. So here the answer minus 10 and here the answer minus 10 are same. Therefore, associative property states that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Now moving forward, let's learn about additive identity. So here basically when we add 0 to any whole number, we get the same whole number, right? Example, minus 8 plus 0, that's minus 8. So basically the whole number which you added to 0, you got the same outcome, right? Minus 8. That's how. Or I can say 0 plus minus 8. Here also you got the same outcome. This shows that A plus 0 is equal to A. Or you can also say 0 plus A. So basically you do in this way or that way. The outcome would be A only. That's the whole number. So basically now I'm gonna explain you through examples how to solve the sum. Like taking the example of A, sum is minus 3. So you basically have to think of the integers that whose sum is minus 3. Any number it can be, whether it's positive or negative, their sum should be minus 3. So 1 could be minus 1. Basically we think that 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So here we have to get minus 3. So minus 1 plus minus 2. So here plus minus would be minus 2. So the answer would be minus 3. So this can be 1. But here the pair is written, so you have to write one more. This is 1. We have to write the second one, which would be 5 minus 2. We think that it's 3, right? So here also you need negative. So minus 5. You don't have to add here. So the biggest one is minus. So you have to add here. And basically it's your sum. So the answer would be of 3. But the sign would be of the greater number. That's minus. So this is the second pair. Now let's do a second example, which is about the difference. So difference, that is minus, right? Subtraction. We can say antar, difference in antar. Like differences we can subtract it. -7 minus 9. So basically you have to subtract that, and as said earlier, in multiplication minus is plus, so -7 plus 9. So the difference here, the answer is in positive, so here also the greater number has the positive symbol, so plus 2. So as stated above, the pair we have to make it. So this is the first equation. The second one would be like 1 minus 1. So here 1 minus plus 1, so the answer would be plus 2. Here the second equation is